welcome to 3.TV. I am your host Ruchi Sharma. It's Monday, the day we bring latest update from the Mint Street. A bunch of curated stories in the Web3 space, giving you the flavor of market activity and the fresh deals struck during this week. We have collated deals from varied segments in this show so that you, our viewers, stay well informed of the latest developments and benefit from the action taking place in this space. But before we start, here are a few interesting deals worth mentioning. So last week, several Web3 startups secured notable funding. Universal raised $9 million in a round led by Andreessen Horowitz to enhance crypto asset tradability, while FrodoBot secured $6 million to integrate robotics with Solana's blockchain. Additionally, Nozomi Network launched with $100 million in capital, offering support for Web3 innovators through open source tools, funding, and expert advice. These investments highlight the sustained interest in Web3 technology, particularly in areas like crypto trading, robotics, and innovation acceleration. Now let's have a look at the first deal of the day. Blockaid on-chain security platform announced that it has raised $50 million in Series B funding led by Ribbit Capital with participation from GV, formerly known as Google Ventures, Variant, and Cyberstars. According to a Feb 18 announcement, the funding will be applied to research, product engineering, and go-to-market teams. Demand for on-chain security from crypto-native companies, traditional banks, and hedge funds is expected to increase. Moving on to the next deal. Gorang Ventures has invested $30 million in Hashkey Group, a Hong Kong-based cryptocurrency firm. This investment values Hashkey at nearly $1.5 billion after the funding, according to a company spokesperson. The investment reflects growing interest from Chinese investors in crypto despite the 2021 Made in China ban. Moving on to the next deal of the week. Tether-backed Mansa, a financial technology company specializing in cross-border payments using stablecoins, closed a $10 million funding round on Feb 20th. Mansa raised $3 million in a pre-seed round led by Tether, the issuer of the world's largest stablecoin USDT, and co-led by Polymorphic Capital with participation from Octra Capital, Faculty Group, and Thrive Digital. The firm raised an additional $7 million in liquidity funding from institutions, including corporate investors and quantitative investment funds, to support Mansa's market expansion across Latin America and Southeast Asia. Mansa aims to use the $10 million to transform the way money flows in the fiat world, according to Molokuku Sano, co-founder and CEO of Mansa. Moving on to the next deal of the week. Universal, a crypto project building a new wrapped token standard called UAssets, has raised $9 million in funding led by Andreessen Horowitz. The project aims to solve the problem of fragmented liquidity across different blockchain networks. Unlike traditional wrapped tokens, which lock assets in smart contracts, UAssets use a burn and mint system with the Coinbase custody to create 1:1 backed tokens. Moving on to the next deal of the week. Fluent Labs, a blockchain developer focused on building an Ethereum Layer 2 blended execution network, has raised $8 million in seed and seed extension rounds led by Polychain Capital. Other participants include Primitive, DAO5, Symbolic Capital, Builder Capital, Nomad Capital, and Public Works, along with notable angel investors such as Balaji Srinivasan and Mustafa Al-Bazm. Fluent Labs plan to use the funds to expand its engineering team and support the development of its ecosystem, including the infrastructure needed for its testnet and future deployment. The company declined to disclose its valuation. That's on the Deal Corner for now. This is Ruchi Sharma signing off. Do like, share, and subscribe to 3.TV, and for more information stories, log on to our website www.3.tv.io or scan the QR code.